Have you ever asked yourself, Grandma's fridge has lasted her over 30 years. Why is it that I have to replace mine every 5 to 10? Don't worry, I have too. And the answer is multi-layered. With new technology being released every year, it's so easy for consumers to see the newest iPhone or the cool new TV system and think, oh, I need that. We feel an overwhelming urgency to replace our devices when the shiny new models come along. We first saw this trend occur back in the post-war era of the 1950s, when the people buying new devices were seen as patriotic citizens contributing to the economy through their purchases. But the reason you need to replace your appliances more often comes down to one simple explanation: cheaper materials. In the past, companies used sturdy materials for long-lasting quality. But now, modern manufacturers don't have the same incentive. I mean, why would they make a product that lasts multiple decades, eliminating the need to spend money on a new one, when they can just make a cheaper one and turn over profit quicker? Okay, well, what are our options? The most wallet-friendly option and environmentally friendly option is to repair the device or appliance. This is assuming the cost of repair is less than the cost of the replacement, of course. If you're looking to repair, you can always check if your appliance/device has a warranty. There's also a company called iFixit that offers free manuals for all sorts of equipment and parts. While repair may not be the easiest, it may save you the most money in the long run, also helping contribute to a healthier environment. If you would like to learn more, a link to a blog from our website is down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on our other social media channels. And until then, we'll see you in the next one.